So today we are going to talk about Streamlit. It's a Python-based framework using which you can build a web app within minutes. And you don't need to have any experience in front-end development. All you need is just Python. So let's see how we can build an app within few minutes. So as you can see, here's my VS Code, and I have a Streamlit folder open, which is empty. There's nothing in here. Let's open the terminal and install Streamlit. Okay, now Streamlit is installed, and let's create a file called main.python. The file is here, and let's write the code now. Code Streamlit as st, and now we want to create a page which will have one header, one main section, and a left nav. Let's just three things. So let's create a header section, main section, and left nav. This is it. Now we created three sections. Now let's put some value in here. So in the header section, let's put, as you can see, I'm just putting a title and a markdown there. And let's run it. Now the application is running here. Let's click, and you can see it has a header and one string. Now let's create the left nav. So with left nav, this is the left nav, and let's go back to the web page, and you can see I am seeing this left nav happening here. Here's the menu. You can click on setting and click this run on save. So as you will keep changing, this will work. Now let's add some menu buttons in the left nav and do something into the main area. So here, let's put some buttons, st button, we can call it left nav, and with the button you can create a lambda on click, and we can say, let's say it this way, success. Click another button, let's call it menu one, and say menu 2, save it, refresh it. Okay, start from here. You can see now the menus are added, and it's smart. All this, if I go and reduce the screen size, you see the left nav automatically is hidden. So a lot of intelligence is already made in the framework, which you don't have to do anything for it. Like color scheme is there. You can change the theme. You can change the wide mode. So here, if I go ahead and change this theme, it's all inbuilt. So now let's go and add something. In the main section, let's create a two-column main section. And I want to create two columns. So let's call it left column, right column, two columns. Now with left column, let's just say a markdown or a heading, header, say left column, right column, header, right column. Save it. Main section, there's an error here. Should be with main section. Now you can see there's a left column and right column. Now the last thing I would like to add, maybe some text boxes in the left column. Let's add a text column. Text value equal to xt text input. Enter your text here. In the text value, just write text value. So we just added a text box. Save it. Here's the text box. This is a test. So as you can see, you can build apps literally in minutes. And this app can be used for internal audience, for the DevOps scenario, or if you have any data you want to expose it to user, you can build this app. And today I just showed you text box and buttons, but you can add all kind of controls. If you go to their our website for documentation, you can see here are the widgets you can add: button, radio button, select box, slider, input boxes, images, video, audio, columns, different columns, which we did just now, progress bar. So this is it. We built the app, we made it running in few minutes, and in the next episode, we will show you how you can deploy it for production so other people can access it.